Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So this is my quick and easy meals today. We are in a Chinese restaurant. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
He's passing us some chopsticks, and so we're kind of doing a little bit of celebrating too. But anyway, this is Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hosting in Quick and Easy Meals is Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and Debbie Bubbles. So let's see, what did we order here, Matthew? So my son Matthew ordered walnut chicken
with a side of fried rice.
With a side of fried rice. Okay. And doesn't that chicken look absolutely amazing? And then we like the crab rangoons, and I wanted an egg roll. So I don't know what the sweet and sour sauce. And then I ordered mushu. What did I order? Mushu pork. Mushu pork, and look at the size of this thing. And it comes with the pancakes over here. He's gonna bring me. Oh no, we're sharing the fried rice, and then we have the plum sauce. I think it is.
Yeah.
Crab rangoons and the sweet sauce, and that's pretty much all we got. That's more than enough food. Okay, and I just wanted to show you. I'll come popping back in toward the end. All right, guys, so this food was absolutely delicious, and Matthew's packing it up right now. Can you show them real quick what we have left? They gave us quite a bit of food. Look at this. Isn't that absolutely delicious? That's walnut chicken, right? And then after we ate, we still had what? Plenty of fried rice. There's no reason for me to cook tomorrow or later on if he wants to snack. And then the mushu pork is literally like a double order. Oh, Matthew, you're spilling it.
No, but it is upside down.
Okay. And then the mushu pork was literally, look at the size of that portion. So it was double the size. So anyway, it was absolutely delicious. It was nice coming out. We haven't been out in a while, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Amen.